Now everybody gonna be like, why should I even trust Ray? Is Ray even legit, man? Right here in front of you, as it refreshes in one fucking day, that's 12.7K on the Shopify store. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to actually leverage AI for your e-commerce brand or even your in-person business. This shit can cook up crazy product images, even put certain products on celebrities, and do a lot more. Little disclaimer alert, whatever you choose to do with this AI is absolutely on you. All I'm doing is educating you today and just showing you how it works. Make sure to go like, comment, and sub, because I promise you nobody on YouTube is putting out educational value how I am. I do not gatekeep. I put out everything for what? Absolutely free. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'm actually going to give away one of the resources I made on AI. The AI that I like to use is called Gemini. It's Google Gemini. I prefer to use that more rather than ChatGPT due to the fact that GPT takes way too long to generate images. However, little tip, if you go on ChatGPT and you ask it to generate prompts for Gemini, it can do that really well, and you just plug those prompts into Gemini. The image generation is literally instant. All right, so as you guys can see right in front of me, I got Google Gemini opened up right here. Now I'm gonna walk you guys through some of the prompts that I personally like to use. So first things first, right here on the left, you can see product image. Hopping into it, I attached a digital mock-up of this hoodie, and then this is the prompt. You can screenshot, do whatever you want to do. You can pause it. Using the image attached, generate me a hyper-realistic product image for my Shopify store. Then I specified white background, make a hoodie fabric and print look as real as possible, as well as the stones. Goal is to make it look like a high-quality DSLR shot. And then boom, as you scroll down compared to the older image, if I go back here, this was just a digital mock-up, tried its best to make it look as real as possible. It's all about how you prompt. Like I mentioned earlier, you have to sit down and really get the prompts down. These are just certain examples in terms of the prompts that I like to use. Now, this prompt is absolutely insane. This prompt allows you to put your actual clothing onto celebrities. So I attached two images, as you can see, one of Central C and one of the hoodie. I said, you are a professional fashion retoucher and CGI clothing artist. Take the attached model, blah, blah, blah. You can just screenshot the prompt. Scrolling down, this is what it cooked up, which is absolutely sauce. This is fucking hard. Now, like I said, be ethical with this. You don't have to exactly do this, but this is just a little example I want to put out there for those who, want to do this. I'm just teaching you, by the way. I'm not telling you to do this. This is just education. Now, this prompt is for a studio photo shoot. So what I told the AI was generate a hyper-realistic studio photo shoot of blah, blah, blah with rhinestone detailing for my streetwear brand. I explained what the product was, and then you guys can just screenshot the details, save this, do what you want to do, and then scroll it down. As you guys can see right here, it absolutely cooked. It got you studio shots with random AI models that look like Gen Z, which is pretty insane. If you prompt it properly, you could really get anything you want. If you want singular shots or even like, duo model shots, whatever the case might be, you could really cook with this. You can screenshot that right there, but this one is fairly useful because you save a lot of money on photo shoots, models, whatever the case might be. Do what you gotta do. Now, this prompt is for concrete flat lays. Somehow concrete flat lays go absolutely crazy on ads. The ROAS is amazing, so I'm like, why not? Let's generate some using this. So I told it, want you to make a hyper realistic image with this hoodie, put the details in. You guys could just screenshot, copy paste like I said, and boom, this is what it cooked up. This is the first one, and then scrolling down, same prompt for this, and this is what it cooked up. Now, it could be a lot better for the concrete flat lays. However, like I mentioned before, you have to sit down and really prompt the AI to give you what you want. So like I said, go on ChatGPT, ask it to make you a Gemini prompt and explain exactly what you want. You can even attach an image into ChatGPT and be like, this is what I want my image to look like. Can you prompt Gemini to create this? It'll give you a prompt, copy paste into Gemini, attach the image, send, boom, result right there. Now, this prompt's a pretty useful prompt because I actually needed a solo product image for this client's product to make a separate product because we were cooking up some crazy bundle offers, and I'm like, damn, I need that image right now. Client was taking a little while to get us the photo shoot images, so I'm like, all right, cool. Let's see what Gemini can cook. And to my surprise, if I look right here, I asked it to remove the shorts from this image, keeping it realistic, blah, blah, blah. Just have the zip up as a flat lay, make the zip up placement in the center so it does not mess up how the image looks. And before right here, scrolling down, this is the after, which is absolutely insane. So, I mean, this shit is just shocking to me. I'm going to be prompting a lot more when it comes to this, but these are absolutely crazy. The amount of things you could do with this AI is just mind-blowing. So if you have used this AI before, or, you end up using it, come back to this video, comment down if you crack some crazy shit, because at the end of the day, I'm new to this and I'm still trying to crack it and figure out what else I could achieve with this AI. Now, I know for a fact you guys already enjoyed this video because the value that I pack in all these videos one by one is absolutely fucking insane. I'm putting out all the sauce for absolutely free and no fucking cost. I don't sell a course. I don't sell a mentorship. Now, I want you to do me a favor. Go in my comments and comment down what you're currently struggling with. Might be your personal life, might be business, whatever the case is. I've been through a shit ton of things, especially when it comes to personal, mindset, whatever the case is, even business. So comment it down. I'm going to be making a lot of value-based content, especially even on mindset as well, plus business. So you'll have your tutorials, you'll have your mindset, whatever the case might be. So go right now, go comment down what you're currently struggling with. I'm going to sit down, I'm going to make a video on a lot of different topics and basically help you guys out because I'm a motherfucking veteran in this game. I've been doing this for a long time. I've been grinding since I was 16. I hope you know I've been grinding since I was 16. I worked over fucking 10 to 15 9-to-5s. I've lost count. My first job was a fucking slave warehouse job. I was slaved out for like $12 an hour, bro. So I've seen my fair share of challenges. So, you know what I mean? Comment down what you want to learn. I got you. Whatever you struggle with, I'm going to still sit down and try to help out as many people as I can. Now, if you do want access to the free resource I made, all you have to do is go on my YouTube description, click my Instagram reel I plug in there, and go comment the word AI, and I'll automatically DM it to you.